Namaste friends, welcome to GyanVeda channel. Today's video is exciting for everyone who wants to make money for their life and with a small amount. So we can see how we can make a good amount of wealth with just 100 rupee SIP. Anyone joined the channel for the first time, request you to please subscribe, share and like. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get notification for our new and interesting videos. In today's video, we are checking how mutual fund SIP with just 100 rupees only can help you to grow rich in long term. It is for everyone who want to invest. It is just a saving ability that will make you rich and make your targets true. It is just like a sowing a small seed over the time, reaping it on the long term with a good return. It will help you to achieve your dreams, your family's dreams. Also, it will help you to generate a large amount of wealth. So let's be focused on this video. Watch till the end so you'll get the complete details. For anything to do in life, there should be some fundamental points that you need to cover. So if you see, what are our basic needs in our daily life? Are we able to meet all of them? So let's see. Food, clothes and shelter. These we everyone knows. In addition, our family needs a health. Also, education is also an important criteria that everyone needs to achieve in their life. Why do I need to invest? First of all, everyone has certain financial goals. Everyone has certain dreams. To achieve them, you need to invest. To create a long-term wealth, you need to invest. You need to invest in case you need to give a good health care for your family. Also, there can be a future needs that will occur at certain point of time in your life. So you need to have a fund for that. Anyone can have an emergency at any point of time. It need not be just the medical, but it could be different types of emergencies your life may get. So you need to have a sufficient funds to tackle all this. We have other videos also how you will be able to achieve the financial freedom. Just take a look at the channel and please subscribe. Let's take a look at the investment options that most of us choose. Many of us choose the fixed deposits in bank, post office, private institutions and government schemes also. Few people choose the option to invest in the traditional insurance plan. Few people are choosing the market based unit linked insurance plans also. Few people want to invest directly in stock market and few people choose to invest in the mutual funds. So let's see, what do you need to have when you want to invest in the stock market? You need to have a sufficient fund. You need to have a Demat account. Also, the most important thing is you need to have a knowledge in this field. You need to have enough research. If you don't have the research, you need to have a good advisor that will help you to invest in the right stocks with the right amount. If you don't have these things, there is no point investing directly in the stock market. Don't rely on tips any point of time. Don't rely on some jackpot that you may get some lottery at some point of time. And don't just depend on your luck. It doesn't work for everyone. So you're looking currently the market is going very high level. So everyone keep thinking that, okay, shouldn't I invest in the stock market? But there are alternate options for you, friends. So mutual funds could be an alternate solution for you. So what do you get the advantage from the mutual fund? You will have a large portfolio just with the small amount. You don't need to have the risk in the single stock. The fund manager will distribute your risk among multiple stocks up as per the portfolio. Also, there is a potential. It's not a guaranteed, but there is a potential that you might get a higher returns in the long term. Also, it has a potential to beat the inflation and generate extra money for your life. Also, you can target mutual funds to create a long-term wealth. Now, SIP is one way how you can invest in mutual funds. So SIP, you can start with just a small amount. It is an investment with a systematic and disciplined approach. It has an ability to beat the inflation when you invest in long term. And most important return factor is the compounding benefits. We have a separate videos also, so please visit on the channel. Also, you get an advantage of the fund manager research. Whenever you invest in any mutual fund scheme, there is a fund manager and an investment research team. So ultimately, you tend to get advantage of them. Also, another important factor in mutual fund SIP is cost of averaging. We have another videos also. Let's not make this video much longer. So when you invest in mutual fund, you need to have few things get it done right way. So we call it as FAT formula. So you need to have a right fund, a right amount, and you need to have right tenure. Then only you will be able to gain maximum over the long term. Also, it is best to invest in stock market or equity funds in the SIP mode. Also, when market is down or there is a volatility, you can have certain additional top up. Also, incremental approach. If you are young, if your income is low, you can start with a small amount. And as your income grows, keep increasing the SIP amount or the investment amount. That will give you the maximum return and create the wealth. If you want to invest in any specific mutual fund scheme, you will get to know about the minimum investment that you need to do at the beginning. Also, when if you want to do additional investment, there is that amount also. And another major factor is that the minimum SIP amount. So in most of the funds, the first factor, the minimum investment is 5,000, but there are few funds which starts with very low amount. Also, if you want to do additional, normally the range is like in 100 or in multiple of 100 rupees they allow to invest additionally. And today's important topic is around the minimum SIP amount. So there are many funds that gives you an option to start just with 100 rupees. So just 100 rupee is sufficient for your SIP to make your amount grow larger over the long term? No. But who can actually start with this? If you are a student, if you are young age, if you are low income professional, if you are housewife who are just saving from your expenses, if you are a young investor, you are starting to invest at very young stage, or if you are skeptical to invest in stock market directly, just want to take a chance initially. If you are a new investor, you can also start with just 100 rupees SIP. So let's take a look at few of the mutual fund schemes that allow you to invest from just 100 rupees SIP. So here are few options. So if you consider the principal IDFC, ICICI, Nippon India, then Invesco, Aditya Birla Sun Life, UTI Mastershare. These are few funds which are allowing you to start with a small amount. Also, these are all equity funds, and this list shows the large cap mostly and large and mid cap. So large cap are considered to be more stable than the other category. We have other videos also how to choose the best large cap fund for your investment. Please take a look. So friends, you may just want to pause the video for a little bit and take a look in detail with this table. Also, we have additionally few schemes which are in the mid cap category. So mid cap is considered to be more volatile than the large cap. So we have listed down here three schemes for Nippon India, then ICICI and Sundaram mid cap. So these funds, if you have seen, the minimum SIP amount is just 100 rupees. In case your risk potential is high, you are able to take a high amount of risk and you are a young investor, and if you want to build it for long, very long term, you can choose some of the small cap funds also. So let's look. We have here three options: Nippon India small cap, then ICICI Prudential small cap, and Sundaram small cap. But please be aware that the risk in the small cap is much higher. It is very risky, but same time it has a potential to generate very high amount of return over long term. Few people would like to have a mix and match approach that about the risk. So they want to have some portion in large cap, mid cap, small cap, debt, cash, something like that. So we have few options for you also. So here we have listed down around the 5 schemes which are into the hybrid, then FLEXICAP, multi-cap, and the pure stock values. So you will have flexible option here. So if you want to invest, please take a look, choose the details first, then visit the website, take the details. There might be slight corrections in these figures also, so take a look before investing. If you're thinking to invest in these SIPs, there are few checkpoints. First, you should match it with your risk ability. Not everyone has the same risk ability, so please be aware of this point. Also, you should have your own research, or you can take advice from your mutual fund advisor. Also, you can consider the exit load, what these funds will charge you if you want to redeem over the short term. Also, take a look at the expense ratio, because if the expense ratio is higher, you tend to get little less returns over the long term. Also, there are options to invest in regular or direct. We have a separate video for this also, so please visit on this channel. There are many more such videos on our channel, so please don't forget to visit it, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please use the comment box and let us know what you think, what you would like to have in the next video. If you have any specific questions, we'll try to answer them also. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon. Namaste, happy investing.